what is up? On our way out to check out the update over here at the new theme park and resort. Although I don't believe they've done a whole lot of track, they've built up a whole bunch of supports for it. So it may not look all that much different than before. Most of the track is still laying there in piles. Still think that's odd that that little section is blue that goes between all the loop-de-loops. Maybe it's intentional. Almost thought it just got sent out the wrong color, really. But a lot of these supports that were over here have now been set up over here. So you can now see that this track is definitely going to go around and probably do some more monkey business over here. And then this is where it's going to go back in, I believe. Right there. So I was definitely not there last time. Still trying to figure out where the Barbie theme house is going to go. Unless it goes right in between. Somebody said that in the pit. People have been telling me in the pit. Oh, okay.
I think it's right there.
No, not the right here. See how they've been excavating this down?
It's a beach house. That might be one.
Yeah. So it's probably, it's like all the workers we just saw leaving, so there shouldn't be anybody in here, so we can kind of go up and over. They parked all the equipment down here, so see if they have any signs of foundation or anything. Not yet.
I wonder what that's going to look like, because I know there's going to be a lot of other stuff here now.
Yeah. Doesn't look like all that much has been changed over here, but it's slowly coming along on this hotel here as this goes all the way around or whatnot. Hasn't changed too much in the middle here, I don't think. Probably where the water pump's going to go or whatnot, right there. Not a whole lot of new stuff over where the theater, where the concerts are going to be at. These buildings look a little more done, though.
Yeah, at least we finally did something cool in Arizona.
Well, at least on our side of town.
Man, there's not really other stuff on the other side of town.
Let's see much for HVAC here, but I see some curbs for what might be going in. So, that will to be seen. We already saw this before, so we won't focus much time right here. They did put this section out here, though. I noticed this looks pretty new. All the shade, the canopies and whatnot. That's definitely been upgraded. And then the cooling towers are still not set. They're just laying down there. I still wondered if they were going to go down to some pit down there. Oh, you know what? Some of that's filled in. So what I kind of thought might be cooling towers down low and hidden must have been something they were building down there, because they put like a tunnel or something down there and then they've excavated over it now. So that is not where the cooling tower is going to go, evidently. Some of the transformers look like they've moved and set them up. So maybe those cooling towers are all going to be on the roof. Here for this building doesn't look a whole lot different. Starting on the building in between, you can see the elevator section looks like it's gone up, or whatever that is right there. I already checked out the equipment on this roof, I think. Pretty sure we did, didn't we? outside air units or they have big VAV type base systems here. Aeon? Yeah, probably outside air. And of course, this hasn't really changed. I had this one section incomplete right down here, the orange last loop-de-loop. And whatever it's going to do, and then it's going to catch this supports right here. You can see there's some foundations for supports to the left, and then the ones on the right. Not. So I wonder if it's going to be one more loop around that freaking sign that advertised my billboard.
Kind of sad how long it's going to take, though, for this thing to be, like, done, like, all of this stuff to be done in it.
They're making progress. Yeah, people thought it was supposedly going to be done like this year, I think, but obviously I don't think so.
I think they changed the date. I think it's 2025 now.
Anyway, short one here. And with that, what do you have to tell them?
Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Yeah. Catch you guys later.
Dude, that has to be one of your most popular video series so far.
Nah, whenever fixing cars are the ones that I get all the views on.
Yeah, but you can never go wrong with car videos.
Nope.